wina ono yenda wajazika ukaujinge wapunzika ono wina mumbura senge owe watu wina wala yes listen go Akaba I want if you play the flow without any voice go come on yeah go to make the money yeah man in the peak of a sand of Sejandia Liwe Puru Company Kana Moria Goti Arabisa Liwe Puru Company Saga Mafumo Bazula Kate Babazara Going to Jajina I just like I Susu and the Saga Mafumo Bazula Kate Babazara going to Jajina Mira I just like I Susu and the Babazara and the Property I'll send it over to my time trip Put you with the boss Babazara Gora on your toe Big boss who never know about no check it up and not be that the way they come over such a day big loss for the boss yes for the boss got that by force second time somebody back up with the boss the boss who was I got papa just the trust the sense of come be in a promise in the loss wow I was put at the boss you go with I go to go life give my boss you go with nothing papa sara boy to the tinapira but it's like I to what in the papa sara do the property go down the Itote aiba wakashikondo wina Kondo yenda ujasika Muka ujinge wapunzika Kondo wina mumbura Tenge uri watu wina Papa Sara boy join the tinapira But it's like I suzu wasilete Papa Sara duji koka tino namina Itote aiba wakashikondo wina Kondo yenda ujasika Muka ujinge wapunzika Kondo wina mumbura Senge uri watu wina Well, if I tell you what you're looking, I'll be with it. Worry about it, because it's like how you live it. I don't know if I quit. I'm just trying this outfit. You know what? But still, it looks nice on me. So.
So we are done. We got an outfit, yeah.
Yes.
Outfit Tanayo.
And I'll be looking though.
Yeah, man. So now we're just heading to rehearsals.
It's okay.
And yeah, see what's going on there.
Bamnini mangamuchite ine mkazi wangu Pindura rafu imi muchirima munda wangu Rafu yekuti chiko funza mkazi wako Guys, zenyara karo wabamnini Ale mageti, my way inzwa inini Polisi we mkazi anga apinda mchiki Bamnini makara tizwa roti nyenguvani Shikanzi izwa mfana na kukuita siki Nota kukuchikita sifono kuluisa chiki Nakusia na kuposura sekona kiki Kale sita yipigane tempi Aijika viri musa Ala What is this book? Niseche, nipeka kuwa nikuone kutaura Nibote kama kutaura Kama Tokanga, Tanzila Kutaura, Tokanga, Antabisa Kuvae Dare, Shimada Tokanga, Sakaduze, Sana Wakuari Kujabahere, Pamberi Pedale Taura Zizere, Panamutamana Puma Zedu Nieba, Kasa Otiwa Utalisa Bere, Palazio Korea, to Tapatele, you might watch your say what you might watch. Diana, forget the door, but in edge of my mind, get me in a trouble, so it's like you were told us. You want to come without forget the dirty one, but in edge of my mind. That is a visit of Cuba. You know what you want to when you put it to what I want to mind you. I'm saying, Sakasi was in what's that? A bit more than Jeff would you know? Freeman, doctor, Freeman. See the front line, everybody. Freeman, doctor, Freeman, striker. Who are you, everybody? Louder. Doctor. What do you got up there? Look your ass up there. Everybody go to Freeman, doctor, you know I see oh, you are going to see ya. Baby, I say I scream, I'm going to see ya. What the check that I'm going to come up my see? Oh, the rest of Simplex, you know what the party. They say time, but you want it on party. My girl is party. You put me them party. You want more girls, it's a girl's party. They say time, but you want it on party. Party, band of a man. Every girl every come on a man make sure I can smash a bajana man. Toro jena mama man and my faro na sitobo. Ejina dancing don't take a back as a man doesn't do when you man are to walk. Okay, Guru mama dancing the mama play. Mama Kalisi atawa abu baba ajitete. You better buy it if I want it or would you bet you for it a jabi, my fingers are low. That's it. Doctor, you know I see oh, you like my Masia, baby, I say I scream, my bones are seen. When you tell me what you go for, my sweet, you know, what's that? Oh, it's a girl from my business, who could be at the models of the phone. The money that you tell them, money that for me, if I'm gonna need to go now, man. Where's the next man? Yalla.
Mukuru w'ekambani
He's in the studio, so show him some love. Come to you on 0775897897, 0775897897, and let's make some noise for Sly. Freeman.
Yeah!
Sly, what is it?
What is it?
My levels.
Oh,
Nice. Mkuru Kamba.
yeah.
Let's talk about that album. Let's talk about that title. Why Mkuru Kamba?
Namgura Kamani is just an encouraging title
Yeah.
to whoever who does business. It might be big or small. To every breadwinner out there, you are your own boss. Remember that? You strive to survive. It's not what you want to grab to repeat. As long as you some other people who rely on you. Ndio Mkuru Kamani yako. Yeah. So that's all about Mkuru Kamani. It's not like we didn't do Mkuru Kamani Maya. Everyone out there.
Mkuru Kamba.
Mkuru Kamani, yeah.
Nice. This one says, yes, Freeman in the building, Sly Jamaba, big up to you, Mkuru Kambani, yeah,
Bro.
Kanyanya dog. And this one also coming through says, HKD boss to the world. And
Yeah.
this one says, we love the album. Let's talk about the album, and thank you so much for the copy. But Sunny, you have yours?
Every
Yes. Nice, I love the cover.
But I know how to think this house.
sure. Tinoziyana because ndokujecha ngeni anoziya zvotokwanisa kuita.
I love the cover. Shout out to the guy on the graphics, and let's just check out the tracks on this album. We have 12 tracks.
Yes.
Let's talk about those. Number 1, Nihanzi Wodi.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, the year I go to on the Simplex from Solid Records. Paimbo nejo kuti nini ngoro an artist, but asada kuzikanwa. So I wanted to get this girl from a rich family, but the family actually didn't get single advice. And then you go there, man, you go there, this guitar rango. Just give me some. Don't me.
Anokuimbirwa gara pasi.
Pastor Galis, you know the essence. What do you want to be? Sano that you want to cheat as well. Can I listen to Fuma? I want to do these songs for you. No, we may actually enyo.
Sama imbira no bola.
Uko ngerese.
Nazo.
Nina aso. That's all I have. Yeah.
Indwendeza microphone kusitake.
Track number 2, Kwelu. I'm going to skip that one and go to Big Life. It's also another one that is doing
Big Life. Yeah.
Yeah, very well.
A Big Life. Anyone was that you know one. Was I told him a Big Life here.
Akutanzirechi. Utaura nezvani? What did I say? William.
Big Life, track number 3.
There's a situation where some people will just fly out of the country, right? Can I go Jaja Boga? I know the Kanganoji animals. Big Life. When your mom is starving, as makes sense. Was Mama
That's so true.
so even Pharaoh, your blessings will will multiply.
Very simple.
So it was all about that. Let's just
Varunyika dzivunya.
Kungo I need a one this year. You want to those stairs when I tell when I'm kidding that.
Okay. We're going to skip track number 4 and land on track number 5. Now I'm loving this one. Tell me about that track.
It's a party song.
Yeah.
Party song. Kati. Everybody must get in. Doctor part. I know there are some people who disagree, but you don't want to see that's a good
and someone came through on our Instagram. We are live on Instagram at KVG Royalty. You can also come through and check out Sly. Zwanzi one Zim dancehall artist anongeza chizunguru.
Ukunze person.
Garai passing.
Live on Instagram. You can check out some of the comments and they love you. Mukati, and then there's Yema Slay Queens. Murukuti wa abando no love.
Ukona chisongo. No, I never this.
I listened to this track.
Naira mwana wangu nini? My own daughter wangu nini?
Maslay Queens no love.
Joto malava magalisi.
Wako auduta ile.
Wangu ngazirezo.
Okay.
Wamweza oda Slay.
Maslay ndo china imbonya zodudza.
Fuza KVG.
Personally, you know,
Maslay. Ndo vanopoda still.
Yeah, they're always on point.
When I cheer person, there are some girls that if they go out, right, they will leave you buying some expensive wine, but if I was a girl, you already wouldn't. I would want to person. Chutenga go cheap on the pochi. It don't tell me most people then was not home. But they will just leave you. You think it's my Jameson, it's my beers, that's dark. Eating energy. Then chat.
Sata kumbera na mari ikepo
Ndosile wa dabe go.
But she's looking pretty and Doma's kind of pakans baru sly kata aru ane party.
Kana video. To driver.
Don't lutanga uchago cha Maslay Queens ayaru ko bit.
Basi yo gona muzikana uchingo chako panodiwa vanhu vakadaro utori ne problem. Wana muzikana nochoka nza boys rockfara ndiyana noziya ningonzi andina ningira ningi.
Ndozva vakada vasikane vambatsani. And I think men ga even munova notozvimvumo kuti kutori ne department ramabebe akamira izvozvo.
Wanangwani kwa pese ngenetwork. Saningirigiri.
Sa
taura. Pese aripo hapana boku mshayeni.
Okay, I think we need to go in. I think we need to sample this album. We are excited, and it's a year of albums, yeah. Because there's Gaffa came through with his album, Choki Vibes came through with his album, Andy Whistle came through with his album,
Killer T
as well. And this time around, we are talking about Mukuruwe Kambani, and he's in the studio with us. So come through and also tell us what you're feeling on this album. This one says Big Life of Kumbedi Chakanyanya. This one says I love Slay Queens, and this one says yes KVG, I agree with you. Mukati Yakaipa, track number 5. So I think we're gonna start with that one. I think we're gonna start with Mukati, yeah. The leading radio station in the land, sounding good all the time. Let's check out if we can make it happen on Zimbabwe's number 1. Tell us if you're feeling it. Chakaipa.
King Mandeve. Booking.
Marifari album.
Thanks, Elvis. Listen.
You are through to start. Please reduce the volume of a radio. Unongeza wageza ugodzumburudza pana wanogumira pakugeza chete saka kwakugeza kwekumberi kwekuseri makaipa
ya bambo ziri kuenda chabwino bambo muri kupweteka nyimbo ya Freeman chabwino zikomo kwambiri chabwino.
Nice. Sounding good all the time. We are the leading radio station in Zimbabwe. Now it's like how do we
Hapa yeye kutaenda. Oh, hapo.
You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, I'm ready to have a different voice today.
But like I said, it's all about the superstar, Pantopa superstar. I appreciate your appreciation is so much appreciated, right? So my action here is what's up, that's for you. This is family, right? But you know, say, there are some people who are there in foreign. They're first I right? When I want to spend the money, when your foxes, your mom can't even buy or 1 liter of cooking oil. You know what I'm saying? So, mom comes first, right? I'll big like that. Listen to that. Nobody has to make sense. Who are big left, Mama is I was able to a place who can find I see big life. 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 Move here. Man, if you don't say, look, 1+1. I want to clean out, right? Show me one finger there. If you have a clean heart, I say I want to let you move on. Watch it. Let's put each and every one of us who is skinny. 1+1, right? 300 people. Give my yaya. Who is it about? Someone plus one. I was Western. I was a great doctor. I my friend on fake nice. Mukuru company. When I feel like the top 10 years ago, right? We'll put the name on the man here. Yeah. Turn on. You know what, this kind of life that I live, and I'm thinking about my music industry. Sometimes it just gives you some stress. So for me to cool down, I love soccer. Yeah, I am a big Chelsea fan, but I play soccer as well in real life. Chelsea in Barcelona. I know some people are, like I'm not gonna like it because I wanna fara na Man U, but still proud to be Chelsea fan. And during my free period, I play soccer. I got my team. As you see, I play the same team. And I also do gym as well. Yeah, I also do gym as well. And sometimes I'm addicted to FIFA. I play FIFA as well. Yeah. Everywhere I go, I always carry my PlayStation. And it's a must. Without my PlayStation, I won't travel. So I'm for a passport. So I always play my FIFA with my friends during my free time. Even if I'm not free, I'm gonna go eat and what time I don't go time I'm going. Otherwise, most of the time don't go pay the numerachi go mang. And I always crack jokes with my friends. It could be my band members, my workmates, and my family members. Yeah, I'm just a free spirit person. As you can hear my name, I'm free man. I'm a free person. So yeah, that's it. No, I don't smoke. I tried that one and it never worked for me. I don't drink as well, but people will never believe me. When I watch it, what about stage? No, I don't do all those things. But yeah, I'm a Christian from when I was young. Strong Christianity background. My family, my parents, my brothers, and family members. I'm in Christianity. I go to church Fridays, weekends. Yeah. That's all I can say. Otherwise, like in terms of food, Bandufara beans, Judaro, Judi, Kananungo, Jara every day. So, yeah, in my yo, like me, Fuku. The rest of the year, we Gava. Gava, yeah. They do good news.